Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to customize your launcher for your Android Auto. So when you're connected to your car using Android Auto, you can customize what apps to appear and what apps to hide on your Android Auto. So let me show you how to do this. So first, you're gonna go ahead and bring down the quick panel menu, then tap on settings, scroll down and find connected devices. Now from here, scroll down and find Android Auto. Tap on this. And now go ahead and scroll down, and where it says display, tap on customize launcher. So here you can choose which apps show in Android Auto and how they appear in the vehicle screen launcher. So tap on this, and here you can go ahead and choose what apps to appear and what apps not to appear. So say for example, if you don't want play books, you can untick it and that app will be hidden. So it'll be at the bottom here. Again, if you don't want calendar, you can go ahead and untick it, and these all apps will be hidden from the launcher. If you want to include it, just go ahead and tap on this, and then this will be included on your launcher itself. So there you go, guys. That is how to customize your launcher on your Android Auto when you connect it with your S25 Ultra.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.